Hello, Paul from Rocket Boil and Cook. A few people have asked me how we clean the cookers. So what I've got recently into the country is some stainless steel bottle brushes, hand operated one and drill one. So I'll show you what we do for a clean. Right, the hand bottle brush, we can just get in there and give it a good brush. Whereas the battery one, a little bit easier, just put it in there. Now if you do it regularly, it will actually clean a lot easier. Now with the top here, it gets quite a bit of soot in that on. Just get a Scotch-Brite, a bit of water, and give it a good scrub, and all that will come off. Right, I just took it out the back and finished giving it a wipe over with a Scotch-Brite and hose off. So the other thing to do is when you finish with the cooker each time, make sure you drain the water out, get it all out so it's nice and dry inside. Alright, thanks very much, and we'll see you again soon.